Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter. Today, we're having a yard sale. Oh my God. Let's check it out. It was a gorgeous sunny Friday to start this yard sale, which we were hoping to continue on Saturday. We laid out everything around 9:15, 9:30. There were already people waiting and looking at stuff. This was my table. I have a lot of things that I took down off of eBay that weren't selling, including this Yahtzee scorecard book, which is vintage, this Texas Instruments calculator. There are over 500 for sale and over 200 have sold, but mine has been sitting there for years. This little, I'll call it an olive dish, I did sell today for about, I think, $4. And then everyone commented on these Nescafe glass mugs, which everyone said, I had these as a kid. It was pretty funny. This little Walt Disney World mug, which does have a little bit of dishwasher damage, did not sell. It also has a little flea bite chip right on the rim there. I have a Darth Vader mug. Nobody bought that. Shocking. I was really surprised. I thought someone would. And this is a Navajo vase that I bought. Also has been sitting in my inventory for a while. This Kellogg's racing truck I just bought a few months ago for 50 cents at a thrift store, and I sold it for $3 today, which was great. I've got glassware. I've got some Halloween items, which I really thought would sell on eBay. They've been up for 2 years and nobody bought them at the yard sale. I was kind of disappointed about this. Just wanted to get rid of some of this stuff. These Daisy glasses are a pair that were dishwasher damaged of a set of 6 I bought, 3 of which I was able to sell a few weeks ago for $35 and was happy with that very much. But yeah, a lot of these items that I had on eBay did not sell. This mask did, which I've had up for about 2 years. It sold for $5 to this sweet little old lady who for some reason wanted that mask. These Walt Disney World glasses did not sell, and that is a gift. The Holly Hobby music box, it was a gift from my 3rd grade best friend, Jean Conroy, who gave it to me way back in the day, and nobody bought it here. And nobody bought this vintage double thermos. So I had a bunch of things here that I was surprised, not surprised, did not sell. I also sold before the sale started, and I didn't get any video of it, this pumpkin that I had purchased at a yard sale for $10. And it photographs great in this picture, but you'll see shortly that it actually had a lot of fading and some of the paint was coming off of it. I did end up selling it for $15, so I made a little bit of money, but obviously I thought I could have sold this one, and I could have sold it 2 years ago, but I did not, so I was happy to let it go. Over here by my sister's table and her wares, she actually got rid of those 2 rolling backpacks for $5 each. She actually did really well with the sales. I think beating out my mom and I by about $10 or $12 over what we sold our things for. This is my clothing. I have everything for $3 each or 2 for $5, and I actually sold about $15 worth of clothing, which was great. Over here, my sister has a bunch of chairs. She has 4 of these that she was trying to sell. I've got some things that were in my childhood bedroom that I was getting rid of and nobody bought. And lots of housewares. My mom went through a lot of cabinets. I helped her go through a lot of things. There's an old TV monitor, surprisingly did not sell. Again, some old chairs. The lock and lock kind of Tupperware, that did sell. I know, it's been a long time since the rooster came to crow. And this is the end of the day at the yard sale. Just a couple people. As you can see, we have a ton of things left. It definitely took a couple days to recover from the yard sale. Physically, my sister and I were hauling things in and out of the house and the garage and the back shed. And we were kind of hoping we could get another day or part of a day out of it because we wanted to do Friday and Saturday. Unfortunately, the rain started a lot earlier than was predicted, and we've had like 8 weekends of rain here. So many things have been rained out. I think if we had Saturday, we would have sold a lot more. One thing I did take away from this was that definitely when you're having a yard sale, post it on Craigslist, because 9 out of 10 people that I surveyed that came to the yard sale saw it on Craigslist. I had also posted on Facebook Marketplace as well as a bunch of local sites and Garage Sale Finder and Yard Sale Finder. So do as many as you can. And I did it the night before. An hour after I posted them, we had a knock at the front door. And this woman was looking for specific items, which we didn't have, we weren't carrying in the yard sale. And of course, the next morning when we started setting up around 9:15, 9:30, there were people just parked waiting, and even some walking up to us as we're trying to put everything out, which, you know, it's kind of annoying, but everyone was really nice. And I did sell some things before we even finished setting up. But yeah, it was a good start, but we really needed a Saturday, and it just was unfortunate. The fortunate thing though was it rained, and both my sister and I were kind of like a little happy because we were exhausted from the day before. But hopefully we can try it again in a couple weeks and get a good Saturday. Thanks for watching, Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this video, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.